Yeah, you gotta pull it out once.
Hello, Mr. Jones. I'm Felicia. I'm with respiratory. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to extubate you per doctor order. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at your wristband to make sure that everything matches up before we do this.
Okay, so
thank you.
Now, hello, my name is respiratory.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and walk you through this and everything, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and place this towel across your chest just in case we get any secretions. You want to keep your gown clean.
What's the one?
Right.
Make sure it's
okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and suction out your mouth.
Where is that thingy? What thingy?
All right, this is going to go kind of deep down, okay? Okay, done with that. Now I'm gonna suction out the tube.
See where he's at.
All right, I'm gonna pull all the secretions back. Good. All the secretions are out of your mouth. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and check the cuff. Deflate it. I hear it. All right, perfect. I'm going to go ahead and re-inflate the cuff. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and take the ETAD off of the tube.
It's the ET tube. Oh, it's
Hold on to this.
Hold on, buddy.
I'm going to deflate the cuff.
Okay. It's not for me. I think it just feels a little bit fluffy.
Then, all right, on the count of 3, you're gonna take a deep breath in, and I'm gonna pull the tube out, okay? So 1, 2, 3. Good job, perfect. Put you on some oxygen, 4 liters.
I did it through the syringe part.
You did perfect. You feeling okay? All right, well, throat's gonna be a little bit sore from that tube being in there.
Perfect. Okay, let's cover down. I'm doing a blind intubation. Here we go. Very successful, right? An element.
Good. All right, we're just gonna pretend that this stays in your nose.
Oh, really?
Probably won't. All right, let's go ahead. We're gonna move through the dirty stuff. Okay. I'm gonna take a listen to you real quick, okay?
Okay, then you put it on here. And, oh, that was a bad noise. Okay, see, it's like really full, so you put it towards the green. Like on the green.
Okay, I hear aeration.
And then if you need to pump it up, then you do that.
Listen to the back. We'll just pretend.
And then I held the green. And then so
Side of the
so come in.
neck. Perfect.
So you don't have
Oxygen is within normal limits.
I'm here to readjust your ET tube.
Yep, I just looked at your chest x-ray and noticed that it was
All right, so we're done with that, okay?
Doctor
Doctor went ahead and put in an order for me to do an ABG in about an hour just to make sure everything's going all
I'll say
right.
we're going to do the endotracheal
So
suction
if you
as
need
well,
anything in the meantime, your nurses are going to be nearby and they're going to be working around you, okay? So just let one of them know if you need
Take
anything.
this out.
Okay,
Pull it out a
thank
little
you.
bit.
I'll be back in
Re-inflate,
about
reattach.
20 to 30
Check
minutes.
for bilateral breath sounds.
Or what?
Yeah, just take